Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and I'm here doing a video response to a new sub of mine, DXPORKER, okay? And he's giving away 2,000 rounds of 22 ammo. And boy, when I heard that, I said I just got to get into that one, as hard as it is to find. And of course, I knew, if you've been watching my videos, my new 22, I just love shooting that. I've got a P22, I love shooting, and so I'm going to show you my newest 22 long rifle pistol right here. Now this gun is just, as you saw and may have seen, I had some problems with it, bought it used. And it's an oldie but a goodie, and I love old guns, all steel construction, with the exception of a plastic piece on the mainspring, and that's what broke, friends. And so if you watch my video, you saw me replace it, and it shoots perfect now. And it's a sweet shooter, nice, accurate gun for a 22 pistol, and I just love it. So that's what I want the 22 ammo for, to use in that pistol. I thank him for having this contest and look forward to receiving my box of ammo. Okay, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.